Reliability Solutions presents Key Tips, Techniques, Behaviors, Methodologies. Welcome to Chalk Talk. Hello, and welcome to this week's edition of Chalk Talk. Our subject this week is the subject of resonance. Resonance is a pretty common problem in industry today. Some people estimate about a third of your machines have vibration on them that is being magnified by resonance or natural frequencies. One of the ways we have of identifying a resonance problem is to plot out a resonance mode shape. When structures vibrate due to resonance, they tend to vibrate with a resonant mode shape. There are various resonant mode shapes. For example, if the structure was vibrating like this would be the first critical. The first critical has two nodes and one antinode. The second critical mode shape looks something like this. In this case, there are three nodes and two antinodes. Here we have a structure resonating at its second critical mode shape. You'll notice that we have three nodal points and two antinodes. Remember, with resonance, if we're going to insert a brace, we need to brace it at one of the antinodes. If we brace it at the nodal point, it has little or no effect. If we brace it at either of the antinodes, we solve the problem. So it's not a matter of just making the structure stiffer, it's knowing where to put the brace. Again, if I was to go out into a real structure in the field, I could probably use my coin to actually feel the vibration across the structure, like this. And I could actually feel different amplitudes, intensities in that vibration. Now we'll do the third critical mode shape. This has four nodes and three antinodes. And this one is the third. Here we have the third critical mode shape. Notice there are 1, 2, 3, 4 different nodes and 1, 2, 3 antinodes. Remember, if we brace at a nodal point, it doesn't do any good. If we brace at any of the antinodes, the problem goes away. Of course, my speed varied just a little bit there. So that's resonant mode shapes. In many situations, that mode shape is apparent enough for you to detect it with nothing more complicated than a coin or a screwdriver in your hand. Understanding resonant mode shapes is one of the key elements to understanding resonance. In a later edition of Chalk Talk, we'll talk about how to plot those mode shapes using a vibration instrument and a piece of graph paper.